Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, we're going to display posts with specific criteria using MetaBox only. In this practice, we'll display the dishes that are on promotion on an archive page. Each dish is a post of a custom post type. In addition to the basic information, I have the original price and promotional price that are saved in custom fields. They will be used to indicate which dishes will be displayed on the page. Let's see which tools we need for this tutorial. To create a custom post type and custom fields, we have MetaBox here. Moreover, we'll need some advanced features of MetaBox, so you can install its extensions individually or use MetaBox AIO to have the following extensions. First, MB Admin Column. It helps to show the custom fields value on the admin dashboard like this. Based on that, you will easily know which dishes are on sale and easier compare with the results on the page. However, this is optional. Next, we need MB Custom Post Types to create custom post types for the dishes. MB Views helps to create a page template for displaying posts. And MetaBox Builder is to have a UI in the back end to create custom fields easily. Let's get started. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type for the dishes. Now you will see it here on the menu. In this practice, I just create two custom fields for example. Both of them are text fields. Since it's price, you may want to have the unit price by adding the prepend or append text like this. Tick this box to show this field as an admin column. This is how it will display. For the promotional price field, do the same. Also tick this box. Then in the admin dashboard you will see this. It'll let you know which dishes have the promotional price or not, then you also know if they are on sale. After creating all the fields, move to the Settings tab, choose Location as Post Type, and then select Cuisines to apply these fields to it. Now, you will see all the created custom fields in the post editor. Then just fill in the information. These are the posts I created. Let's move to the next step to display them on the page. Create a new page. Then go to MetaBox Views to create a new template for it. First, insert the post title. It'll display the page title later. To display the posts, I'll add some code as follows. This is to declare getting posts from the cuisine post type. This is its slug. Along with that, I also added some attributes. All of these ones are to set the condition that stipulates that only the posts that have any value in the promotional price field will be got and displayed. This is the ID of the promotional price field. This is to recognize if there is any data in the field or not. The data type to compare is character. If it is not that, there is no character in the field, the post will be displayed. This function is to get posts. Since we'll display multiple posts, we have a loop here. Inside the loop, insert some fields to get data from them as follows. Insert the post thumbnail to display the dish's image. Insert the post title once again, but this is for the name of the dishes which is saved in the title of the post. Next are the promotional price and original price. Finally, the post content to display the dish's description. After choosing all the wanted fields to get data from, move to set the location for this template as page. Then choose the name of the created page here. Go back to the page on the front end, you'll see the dishes are displayed. Back to the views to edit the template. You should add some div tags into the template like this. I also added the unit price for the pricing here. There is a notice that I added a tag in the place where I output the name of dishes. This is to insert links to the dishes' names. Then go to the CSS tab and add some code. This code is available on GitHub, so you can refer to it for more details. Now, Go back to the page, a new look comment up. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to learn more about how to play around with MetaBox, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.